Affirmations for stress and anxiety relief, especially when the world is going crazy. Can you relate? It's inevitable that humanity will face challenges. It could be a worldwide pandemic, an economic collapse, or a natural disaster. Many people react with fear, stress, and anxiety. But there's a better way. You can acknowledge the situation, do your part to act responsibly, and remain calm at the same time. So take a breath and get centered. Repeat the following affirmations back to yourself in the spaces between. Let's begin. In the midst of chaos, I remain calm. In the midst of turmoil, I am at peace. In the midst of uncertainty, I stay grounded. Maintaining my composure is the best response. Keeping my balance is best for everyone. Staying positive wins the day. It's not my job to save the world. It's not my job to convince everyone of my position. It's not in my best interest to panic. It serves no one to overreact. I focus on sensible solutions. I focus on remaining calm. I focus on maintaining balance. Serenity is my new nature. Poise is my strength. Confidence is my set point. I operate from a sense of peace. I operate from a sense of clear-headedness. I operate from a sense of confidence. Staying positive is the best thing I can do. Expressing love is the best thing I can do. Being grateful is the best thing I can do. I remain calm in the midst of chaos. I am at peace in the midst of turmoil. I stay grounded in the midst of uncertainty. Peace is my nature. Serenity is my strength. Ease is my way. I react with clarity and confidence. I give careful thought before I speak and act. I am graceful under pressure. I trust that humanity will be triumphant. I am confident a way will be found. I know a solution is revealing itself right now. Cool-headedness will prevail. A calm mind is the answer. Peace is my virtue. I easily find my balance. I tap into my inner wisdom. I trust that all is in divine order. Gratitude and joy win the day. Expressing love dissolves fear. Poise is my secret weapon. I am at peace. I am composed. I am calm. And so it is. Listen to these affirmations anytime you need to relax and find your center in the middle of a crisis or a personal challenge. You can do this. You are doing this. And together, we will prevail. If you like these affirmations, you'll love the Personal Transformation Matrix, a simple 3-step process that will help you end the struggle, gain control, and live the joyful, empowered life you deserve. Visit bobbakerinspiration.com to learn more. For even more inspiration, I know you'll enjoy this affirmation playlist. And until next time, so long for now.